All right, let's take a look at a house that we just wrapped up down here in Fort Morgan, Alabama. It is smashed right between the Mobile Bay and the Gulf of Mexico. The backside of the house has a pool looking out over the bay with a pier walking out to the water. The front side of the house is right through those beautiful windows you're looking at, looking directly at the Gulf of Mexico, a short walk straight out to the beach. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and as usual, Llama Cove builds their houses to fortified gold. So this house is going to be built like a tank and resist these hurricanes coming in here. This house will be ready for rent very soon, so you guys check it out. Hope you enjoy.